Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making something super fast, super easy, and super delicious. We're making butter. And we only need 2 ingredients and 8 minutes. Let me show you what you need so we can get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 or more cups of heavy cream, some salt, and a bowl of ice water. For the equipment you'll need a stand mixer with the whisk attachment and a spatula. Step 1. Pour the heavy cream into a bowl of a stand mixer and mix for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium speed. The heavy cream will begin to develop peaks, and then the liquid and the fat will separate. At this stage, cover your stand mixer with a cloth because the liquid could get everywhere as you continue spinning for 2 more minutes. The liquid is what we know as buttermilk, and the fat is what we call butter. Step 2. Gather the butter into a ball using a cotton cloth and squeeze out as much buttermilk as possible. The buttermilk you can save for later. Step 3. Pour a little of your ice water on top of the ball of butter. This will help further push out any remaining liquid. Continue this step until the liquid that comes out of the butter ball is no longer cloudy. Then once again, using your cotton cloth, squeeze out any remaining liquid. Step 4. Sprinkle some salt onto the butter and work in using your fingertips until you reach the desired taste. And now you can enjoy your very own homemade butter.